Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. What are you building today? Well, today I have a big haul. Well, it's a semi-big haul, but it is a big haul price-wise. So, anyway, this morning I was out and I went to the local grocery store and I found, well, the new Harry Potter sets were coming out in that store. I mean, they're a little bit late, a month or so, but that's okay. I wanted to make sure I got them on sale or something, so I got a sweet deal on those. And also the 3-in-1 Creator UFO Fairground Carousel set. I really wanted this, but being at $69.99 Canadian, it's a little bit much. So I also got that on a good deal. So the good deal is, and we'll talk about this one in a second. The good deal on these one was I had points and I used my points cards again. So my points card paid for all three of these and I paid basically zero for them. I paid nothing, no tax, nothing, because I used points for them. So they were all regular price, but it's okay because I used points. I didn't have to shell out a cent. So that was well worth it. That one was $24.99, $39.99, and $69.99. So that was a good haul. And then I got home only to find out one of my friends was coming over and to give me one of these. Yes. So this turned out to be a freebie as well. So what can I say? I had a great day. This is a great haul. This was a very expensive set. But we're going to do something special with this one. So all the members of the lug are actually going to do something with this because we each have a copy of this. And, well, we're going to do something special with it. That's coming up. So, but needless to say, now we all have one, and we're going to do something really cool with that. But that's a good haul, I think, price-wise, for the big price of a zero. That's a really super haul. So anyway, that's just my haul for today. I think what we're going to do is we're going to start doing this one first because we have a show coming up in a couple weeks, and we want to get this built and probably the UFO one, because these ones are just going on the display downstairs, so it's no big deal. Well, so is the UFO, but we'll probably take that to the show. So we'll get them done up, and we'll get some videos of this as well as we get them built. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys again very shortly.